If you want to start your own business like garri company and palm oil company, this video is for you. This one, you don't need to go and ask any other person what the machine you will need to start this business. Every time it's not all about where they buy people or how Tinubu take a run or how Hope Uzodinma take run. No, I'm bringing you something may change your own life today. Because what we need in Igbo land today to end so many things that is happening, we will need more companies so that people will go to work and earn money and forget about putting hand in crime. So I bring this video for you today. For you that want to start producing your own garri, you want to start producing your own palm oil and also extract oil from kernel. This video is for you. I want you to watch this video from beginning to end. And make sure you share it so that other people will get the information. It will give you a lot of knowledge of how we are going to start your own company. So my people, please go and follow my new page and make sure you share this video so that other people go get the information. Stay tuned and watch the video before we come back and continue.
This is a Kalu Kelechi Kalu, and we are at a Posima company. So in this company, this is where in their garri section, this is where they make garri. Now, beside me here is the manager. He is going to tell us a bit about running a garri factory, the necessary equipments you need, the machines you need, and how you can go about it. So can you introduce yourself to us, sir?
Yes, my name is Mr. Paul Ajaweze. I am the manager of the company. Yeah, we are in the garri processing unit of the company. The company has various sessions. This is one of the sessions we have here. And this garri processing unit, if you want to go into it, you need to know some certain things, have first knowledge of how it is being done, and that is exactly what we are going to take you through. Okay. Yes.
So the next question is now going to be, if someone wants to go into this garri making business, someone wants to start making garri, what are the necessary things the person must to know or have? What are the necessary equipments?
Yes, if you want to go into garri production, you need to get your cassava. You need to talk about the source of supply of your cassava. Are you going to have your own farm? Are you going to buy from the market? You try to check these very two and they know the one you'll be able to do that will be better for you. Here, we don't have a farm where we uproot cassava, but we do get our cassava from the market. We buy, we come down to this place, peel it. We normally hire people. Of course, we have permanent workers, full-time workers who get involved in peeling the cassava. Earlier than the time we were able to get workers, we were using our machine. We have a machine at the back whose work is to peel the cassava. But that machine has one particular disadvantage. It cocks the cassava tubers into shreds from time to time. And we deem it necessary to drop it and use humans in peeling our cassava. Thank you.
Okay. So can you now show us around the factory? What are the machines do you have here for making the garri, and what are they used for?
Yes, you will see the machines as I will take you around. The one that peels the cassava is behind. I will later show you that one. This is the place where the peeled cassava is being washed. After washing the peeled cassava, this is water. This pipe supplies us with water, after which we take it down to this machine. The work of this machine is to crush the cassava into shreds. After it must have been crushed, we will take it, we will bag the cassava being crushed, we will bag it and they take it to the presser. Come and see the presser here. We have two pressers here. So we put the cassava that is put in the bag, put it here, use this thing to place on it, and you press this in. When you press it, this one will get down, and the water that is in that cassava will be dehydrated. That is how we do it. When it has dried for 2 or 3 days, as the case may be, depending on the nature of that cassava. There are cassavas you buy, water will be so much, the moisture will be so much that it can take up to 2 days before it gets properly dried for frying. So when it has dried, you now take it to this machine. This machine serves as a sieve. It serves as a sieve. It sieves the cassava that has dried. It will come down to this place. When you must have finished sieving it, you now take it to this machine. We have 3 fryers in this place. We have 3 fryers in this place. This is fryer 1, fryer 2, fryer 3. Okay? And this fryer fries the garri very well. This thing you see here will be turning. When we turn on this fryer, this thing you see will be turning round. Yes, will be turning round to make sure the garri won't get burnt. It will be turning around until it dries. You may begin to ask, how do I know that the garri has dried? When you collect the garri and you see that it doesn't gum again, when you hold it this way, it disintegrates into different packs. That means that garri has dried for you to remove it. Because if it hasn't dried, when you do it this way, it will gum together. It won't disintegrate. Everything. So you will now push it down to this place. The garri is done. And so that is how it is being done. If that garri has a lot of 6, if it has a lot of 6, we have another machine here. The work of this machine is to sieve the fried garri, not the one that hasn't been fried. Remember the other machine I showed you a few minutes ago? That one, its work is only to sieve the one that is coming from the presser. Then the work of this one is to make sure that if the garri has a lot of 6, the 6 will be sieved properly and the normal garri will be gotten. The 6, you can use the 6 and give to birds. If you have birds, fowls, give the 6 to fowls, and the main garri will be now eaten by humans. That is exactly how it is being done in this cassava processing unit.
Okay, thank you very much. I can see there are a lot of machines in this factory. The next question I want to ask, the machines that are used in this production, are they sourced in Nigeria or are they imported?
They are locally produced machines. Yes, somebody from Lagos State was the one that consulted all these machines you see here. They are not foreign machines.
Okay, so we are at the PKO and the PKC section of the same farm and of the same company. And you see, this is a very big operation. They have a lot of machines. They do a lot of work here. You can see even palm kernel behind me. So I'm still here with the manager, and he's going to walk us through the production process. How is palm kernel oil produced and how is palm kernel cake produced? So, sir, please, can you educate us on how this thing is done?
Yeah, you are heartily welcome to PKO session of Posima. My name still remains Mr. Paul Ajaweze. In this very PKO section, we have the side we toast kernel. This side is the side we toast kernel. This one is called a toaster. The work of this toaster is to remove moisture from the kernel. You know, kernel is, at times kernel has water. Then you remove the water so that you will be able to dehydrate the oil in record time. This toaster has what we call a blower. This is a blower. The work of this blower is to send heat under the toaster so that the kernel will remove its moisture. The blower is driven by an electric motor. This electric motor is 8 horsepower electric motor. So with the help of this, the blower is being driven. This blower, you put a fire in this very place where my hand is pointing at. You put a fire. How are you going to put it? You get some wood.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please, I want you to start up something today. From small, you will get to the top. You understand? Don't be top to bottom, no. Because if you be top to bottom, you go follow. So start from small and you get to this level. So you have seen the whole machine you need to start up these two companies. You can start it. We need more of this in Igbo land so that people will be working and people will get job. We are going to bring in many ideas of what you will do. We are going to bring in what our people are onto, what they are doing. So today, be following this page for your own good though. I'll be updating you of the news of things that is happening all over Igbo and inside Biafra. My people, share the video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it is hot. Thank you for watching.